Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you something very simple. Again, very simple. But most people completely ignore it. And it has to do with this area right here. Now, I'm not going to call it anything complicated. You can call it your center, your focus point, whatever you want. But this is what you do. Take 2 fingers and gently place them right here. Not pressing hard, just light contact. Now, close your eyes and keep your attention exactly where your fingers are. Don't move. Don't think about anything else. Just keep your attention there. Now, something is going to happen. You might feel a pressure, a pulse, a warmth, or even nothing at all. That's okay. Stay there. Now, here is where most people do it wrong. They try to force something. Don't do that. Just observe. Now, slowly remove your fingers, but keep your attention in the exact same point. Don't lose it. Stay there. Now, what you are doing is you are training your awareness. And your awareness is your power. The moment you can hold attention in one place, your mind stops jumping everywhere. And when your mind stops scattering, your energy stops scattering. This is not imagination. This is control. Now stay here for about 1 minute and just notice. Notice how everything starts to slow down. That's the shift. Do this in the morning before sleep or any time you feel disconnected. Takes 1 minute. It's simple, but very powerful.